Today I am in North Fort Worth, actually in Harvest Ridge subdivision at my newest listing that you must come see. One of the highlights is actually the backyard. You have no backyard neighbors. You back up to community catch and release ponds and all of this nature. So it is a wonderful space to be in, and I'll also show you some of the features inside as well. You're going to love that this is a single story, just a little over 2,500 square feet, but there is lots of room and so many updates. We have new paint inside. The kitchen has granite countertops. We have all kinds of space for you. There's even a flex space that you can use as a second office, a game room, a media room, and the front room, which is an office, can also be used as another bedroom. Lots of choices. You're going to love it. Come check it out.